Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. And as promised, I have a sample of what it looks like to record from the C270 Logitech high definition webcam. I'm also using my webcam central to sort of kind of brighten it as well as contrast and adjust the color. So it's a sunny day today in the Midwest, and I thought I'd take advantage of it and pre-record some of my workshop videos. As you can see, this is more than able to bring a clear picture, great video content quality. So even if you have